Hi, welcome to Crafting with Carla. Today I'm going to show you how to make an intro graphic for your YouTube channel, just like how I did. So you get some puff paint pens. It's paper, of course, and it's really easy. You just like write. I'm not sure what's wrong with this pen. Hold on. Oh, sorry. These are new. These are new puff paint pens, and I still have the inner lid. I don't know what to call it, but the inner lid is still on it. So I gotta. Oh my God, what a mess. All right. I didn't get a Kleenex or anything. Oh well. So you just put the lid back on. Anyway, you just write like the name of your channel. So like my channel is Crafting with Carla, so you would just write like whatever yours is. Like if yours is Bowling with Bob, you would write Bowling with Bob. Or if yours is like lettering with, what's an L name? Lettering with Leonardo, you would write that. Or if you, maybe you're a swimming coach, you would do swimming with Steven, I guess. Anyway, so you can see, to make it fun, oh my God, come on. So puff paint makes for a really fun intro graphic because it's like 3D. So that's cool. So I'm deciding to use a different color. So a different color for each word will really make, oh, I have to take this thing out. Hold on. It's in here kind of hard. Okay. Oh my God, I really should have gotten a tissue before I started. Oh. Wait, where's the, oh, it's inside the cap. Hold on. So that's really important to take the things out of the things before you get started. So anyway, like I was saying, I think it's a really good idea to use different colors for each word to make it really stand out and to make a really unique intro graphic. I've noticed a lot of other YouTubers will use like the same color for all their words, and I think it's kind of boring. So I definitely recommend getting more than one color of puff paint. So I'm using orange for my name. So again, like if your channel is like dinosaur hunting with Devin, then like Devin would be your dinosaur hunting. So that's 4 words. So you would need 4 colors for that. So like the name of my YouTube channel has 3 words, so I'm using 3 colors. But if yours has 4, like dinosaur hunting with Devin, then you should use 4 colors. Okay, and there we go. That looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this. So I hope this was helpful for you, and I can't wait to see what you guys do. All right, thanks.